Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at a new on-chain ecosystem called xStock and its reward system called xPoints. This system is designed to recognize real user activity inside the platform and reward consistent participation. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It does not provide financial advice and no outcomes are guaranteed. Please do your own research before joining any platform. Let's jump into it. So the first question is, what is xStock? Viewers, xStock is a blockchain based ecosystem that connects traditional financial assets with on-chain infrastructure. This idea is simple and powerful. Bring real world assets into the blockchain space, allow users to interact with them in a decentralized environment, build a growing ecosystem powered by user activity. You can check out 25 billion US dollar plus total transaction volume with 25 plus integrated platform, the largest network of the tokenized equities. Here you can also check out the detail about the tokenized and on-chain blue chip equities, and you can also check out that it provides you amazing feature. You can check out its market access, settlement, custody, portfolios. Details have been provided here, and you can also check out that they are setting new standard in the industry. So here you can also check out that the 100 plus stocks and ETFs they are offering, and you can also explore all the products. So viewers, xStocks are on chain and they are now live on leading exchanges and DeFi infrastructure like Solana, Ethereum, Ton, and many more. And if you want to apply for it, here's the procedure. Very simple. You can contact them to integrate the leading network for on-chain tokenized equities into your platform. xPoint is a participation-based reward system. It tracks what users do inside the ecosystem and assign points based on the activity. Users can earn points through holding assets, trading, lending, minting tokens, providing liquidity, using partner DeFi platforms. Each action carries different multipliers, meaning deeper participation leads to higher rewards. So first of all, you will have to connect your wallet that is compatible to it, and after connecting your wallet you can check out there is currently an early access phase open for users. Anyone who register receive a permanent 20% boost on all points earned. This is not a temporary perk. It stays active long term, giving early users an advantage inside the system. After connecting a wallet, each user receive a personal referral link. Here how it works: for new users, they receive a 20% boost on their points. For referrers, they earn 20% of the points generated by their invited users. This creates a shared growth system where both sides benefit from participation. So here you can check out that referral link has been created. Just copy it and share it with your friends and social media followers. Let's break it down clearly. If a creator brings in 100 users and those users generate 1 million X points, then user receive boosted rewards and the creator earn 200,000 X points. So activity within your network contributes directly to your results. Viewers, xPoint is designed to keep users active over time. Extra rewards can come from daily multipliers, time-based boost, ecosystem requests, referral activity. This structure encourages consistent interaction instead of one-time participation. The ecosystem has already shown strong early growth: 100,000 plus wallet in the first 24 hours, 25 billion US dollar plus trading volume, 4 billion plus settled on chain, 85,000 plus holders. These figures highlight strong early adoption activity. xStocks aims to bridge traditional financial markets with blockchain technology. This includes tokenized assets connected to major financial systems. There are also references to visibility across major financial networks, including mentions related to Nasdaq coverage and broader industry attention. You can also check out the detail about proof of reserves. They enable users to verify the collateral reserves of xStocks on chain, reinforcing assets integrity. This gives users read-only access to your collateral accounts. This adds to the project's long-term positioning. One key point to understand, xPoints are expected to play a role in future ecosystem-based rewards. Full details have not been revealed yet, but early engagement may position users better for upcoming updates. Here's a simple breakdown how to participate. Step 1 is connect your wallet. Step 2 is access your referral link. Step 3 is start engaging in supported activities. Step 4 is share your referral link with your audience. Viewers X Points rewards real on-chain engagement. Early users receive a long-term boost. Referral system supports shared growth. Consistent activity is rewarded. Ecosystem is expanding quickly. More updates are expected in the future. Following xStock on X keeps you updated with real-time announcements. You will get latest ecosystem updates, X points and campaign news, new features and developments, official project insights. Kraken is a major name connected in the ecosystem space. By following Kraken on Twitter, you can stay aware of broader ecosystem movements, see industry level updates, track important partnerships and announcements, understand market level direction. Telegram is where the community comes alive. Inside Telegram, you can ask questions directly, get step-by-step guidance, join community discussions. It's the best place for real-time support and interaction. Viewers, xStocks and xPoints create a structure where users' activity, consistency, and community participation all contribute to overall progress within the ecosystem. If you are exploring on-chain systems and want to understand how modern reward models work, this project is worth following closely. Take your time, explore the platform, and stay updated for future announcements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.